To set up voice typing on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, you have to start by opening Settings. Now you will have to go for System Settings, open Language and Region, open Keyboard actually, and over here go to the on-screen keyboard. And first of all, we have to turn on Google Voice Typing by using this switcher, and next we have to open this one. And if you want to block offensive words, just stay with the switcher. If you want to use offensive words, you have to make sure that you have unselected this one. And what is really important about this one, that voice typing only works when you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So if you are offline, it's not gonna work. So if you want to make some notes offline, you will have to actually add a language to download speech. To download languages base. And you have to go for add a language and simply pick the available languages library by clicking here and selecting download. After the download will be finished and this language will appear right here, it will allow you to use offline voice typing. And if you are only connected to the mobile data, then it's not gonna work because you get only Wi-Fi selection. So select mobile plus Wi-Fi. When you go for the advanced settings, you can find all of those downloaded languages. And right now it's not finished because we have to also open Gboard and go for the voice typing. And over here, make sure that you have turned it on. And also we can use feature for faster voice typing. So it will download a faster and more accurate way to recognize our voice, which is really useful if you want to quickly use it. Now, you will have to open your keyboard just anywhere and you have to search for this microphone button. If you cannot find it here, just take a look over here. Now, once you actually tap on it, you will have to grant permission into the microphone for your Gboard. And right now, when this microphone icon got that small animation with the Google logo colors, it means that it's activated. So it should actually recognize our voice. But as you can see, right now it's not working. So we can additionally try to change a language, like so. And now let's try to do this one more time, because sometimes when some features are not available or they are not working, you have to just turn them off and then go back. So let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the microphone check for Google Voice Typing. As you can see now, everything is fine. So if you have the same issue that the voice typing is not working properly, you have to just restart that application or simply close your keyboard. And if you want to stop with that voice typing, you have to just make sure that you have clicked on this icon one more time, because it's not gonna stop automatically, like immediately. It's gonna actually keep working for a few another seconds. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how we can actually use voice typing on this device.